Hey everybody, this is Braden Chase. I am just checking in with you guys about a Clickfunnels pro tip that I figured out as I was trying to build my funnel. And this is a video of me kind of just walking through it and trying to make it work. Now, as you can see, there is a headline right here, and in this headline, all of the first letters are capitalized. So you can see those, right? Capital, capital, capital. This is a great technique to do. It kind of gets people's attention. It's a good plan. However, typing every single one of those in is kind of irritated. Shift H, Shift W, Shift Who, Shift Y, Shift E, right? It gets a little frustrating. So in Clickfunnels, there is a very simple little tool. If you click on the settings button up here in the right hand corner, it will open up a window, and then if you move to advanced, you'll be able to see text transform option. And inside of that we have this right here, which is a capitalize, and that will automatically capitalize the first letter of every single word in the entire text section where you are. So use that carefully, because we don't want all of every single word throughout the entire page to be capitalized, but headlines, pretty much a must. So I hope that was helpful for you guys, and I will post some more tips here later on. Thanks. Bye.